Hello to each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well. I am in Thailand at the moment, and I will be taking you guys around the island of Phuket. I'll just give you guys an overview what I'll be doing today, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'll take you around the resort I'm staying in at the moment. It is a huge resort, and I'll try to cover up and as quickly and as much as possible. This is basically just a lobby area that I'm roaming around at the moment. It is a typical Asian resort, surrounded and flooded with the trees, and then the pool is something that is mandatory in all the resorts in the tropical countries. So yeah, they have quite a big pool area, and as you can see on my left hand side, even right in front, you have 1,000 different types of plants. And obviously this is something that the tropical islands and the countries are famous for, like 10,000 different species of animals and the plants and stuff, so I'm heading towards the beach. This is another pool area. As you can see, some of the fancy rooms, they are right next to the pool area, just in case if you feel like taking a dip in the night, so you don't have to cross over the security and all those guys that usually forbids you from swimming in the night. Yeah, this is the beach area. I did not spend much time here because I got tanned very quickly, so yeah, did not spend much time there on the beach, and just took a little bit of walk in this area. So this fellow right here, initially I thought it was an alligator, but then I realized that I'm in a tropical country, and those creepy lizards, they're quite common here, so I suppose that was it. Right after spending some time at the beach, I headed out with my buddy here for some shopping, and in a couple of seconds you guys will get to see what I mean by shopping. This is my favorite part, and every time I'm here in the Southeast Asian countries, I just make sure that each and every corner of my bag is packed up with these fruits that you guys are seeing in front of you. Dragon fruits, mangosteen, and this passion fruits, and there are like 1,000 different type of fruits that they have here in Thailand. So yeah, just utilizing this opportunity and buy as many as possible. So guys, we're heading towards this place called Promthep Cape. It is a little bit away from the hotel that we are staying in. It's an hour drive actually from there, and I have my colleagues here who are accompanying me. No, there's no water, bro, so I'm not gonna capture anything. There's no water. Yeah, so it doesn't look nice. So as I was saying, I've got 3 colleagues who are tagging along with me. 1, 2, 3, and the boss for today.
That's the big boss.
The big boss. He has a beautiful van, as you guys can see.
Very
It's
fancy.
So guys, we just entered in Patong. This is the central Patong area, and it is very congested. I'm not a big fan of this place, but we had no choice but to cross this area in order to get to the Cape Promthep, where we are planning on to reach by sunset. As you can see, the moment you drive out of Patong, it is pretty clear, the roads and stuff. And on the way to Cape Promthep, we decided to take a little bit of break at this very famous touristic place. It's called Viewpoint. So guys, just a suggestion, if you are ever in this place and if you ever visit this Viewpoint, I would suggest you to visit before 1 p.m. Reason being, you will not be able to see the actual colors of the water. As you can see in front of you, you can barely see, you can still see light green and blue color, but if you want to capture the actual colors of the sea in your pictures and videos, the best time to visit this place would be before 1 p.m. because after that the sun starts to go down and you miss all those beautiful colors, you know, that you could have captured earlier during the day. So as soon as we reached the Cape Promthep, and at the entrance we were welcomed by 100 different sculptures of these elephants that you guys can see in front. And just to remove my curiosity, I asked one of the locals here, why do we get to see so many sculptures of the elephants? And that person told us that it is considered as a very lucky animal, in a way that it brings you luck. So this basically is the Cape Promthep. It is a very famous touristic place. Most of the tourists they come here to watch the sunset, and quite rightly so. As you can see, this is perfect. So guys, I have reached the place that I was intending on to reach before the sunset. As you can see behind me, oh my goodness, look at my face. One day snow and the other day sun right on the face. That's my life nowadays. Yeah, so along with my buddies, we're just gonna chill here and watch the sunset. So as we had plenty of time till the sunset, we decided to walk and take a hike all the way down till the very end and watch the sunset from there. So that's where we are heading right now, and it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. And as you guys can see, the island is kind of getting narrow, and we are just about 5 to 6 minutes from the very end. It's a bit of a tricky place, and the soil is sort of it's very slippery, so you have to watch your step. And in a couple of minutes right here, in fact, I tried to jump and I slipped right at the end right now. Yeah, I kind of slipped my foot, and as I mentioned, you know, the ground was very slippery, so be careful when you're on the islands and you're not familiar with the surroundings. So pointing towards the place where we started hiking down, the only challenge was the soil. The ground was kind of slippery, so had to keep my eyes open and be cautious. No injuries, made it down to the edge of the island successfully, and we'll just settle down here till the sun goes down. So no more hiking down. So guys, I think मेरे चेहरे से तो आपको नजर आ गया होगा कि यहाँ पे गर्मी का क्या सीन है. यहाँ पे बहुत ही बैड सीन होता है बिकॉज ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री, और यून सी फार ईस्ट की कंट्रीज है. यहाँ पे इट यूजली थ्रू द ईयर इट स्टेज ह्यूमिड, और यहाँ पे गर्मी रहती है. और यहाँ पे साल में भी एक आधा महीना आता हो जिसमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बेहतर होता है कदरा मौसम बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन एंड स्टफ. लेकिन यूजली मेरा चेहरा देख के आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते होंगे कि यहाँ पे किस तरह का मौसम है. Anyways, I have reached the place जहाँ पे मेरा प्लान था पहुँचने का. As you can see, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ आपको कि आपको नज़र आ जाए. Behind me, that is the end. इसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं है. There is only one that, एक वो जो सा island नज़र आ रहा है, that's it. और after that, it's all sea. It's all open ocean. Though at the moment I am sitting right at the corner. चलें आप लोग वीडियो एंजॉय करें और मैं यहाँ की गर्मी एंजॉय करता हूँ. So enough with the hiking and the sunsets. We are here in the food street in the Pathong area. The reason why we decided to dine here at the local food street was because of the availability of options. I mean, you have seafood right here in front of you, and if you're not a fan of seafood, there are plenty of alternatives that are available to choose from. I chose something, I don't know what's it called, this right here. I mean, they had these pictures pasted on the menu card, so it looked kind of appealing. So I was like, this is what I want to have. And I chose the banana Nutella pancake as a dessert. This lady here, she made that for me, and it was delicious. And I know it doesn't look like a pancake, but that's how it is here in Thailand. So after the dinner, we decided to take a walk through this famous Bangla Road. Reason being, Mr. Adam, who was driving us the whole day, he told us that he'll be meeting us across the street. So we had to cross this madness. I'm not a very big fan of this place. It is congested and flooded with the tourists, and you get approached by random people, and once again, not my type of place. So yeah, I mean, this is gonna be it for today, and I hope you did like the video. Please, once again, requesting you to subscribe to my channel. Doing my best to show you guys as much as possible, and I just need a bit of your support. So please do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon again. Yeah.